Welcome to Lazy Day.
It's literally 1:20 and I don't know what I've done today. But that's okay. I literally feel like that TikTok that I just posted on my story. Like I'm forcing myself to do nothing.
And is that okay?
I don't know. Where are you going?
Oh, me?
Me, you may ask. I'm actually headed to a yo-yo meetup. What is a yo-yo meetup? Well, we all go to an area and we all just yo-yo. Still don't understand what I'm talking about? Let me take you and I'll show you what it is. Okay, we're here at the meetup. It's in this plaza in Artesia and they meet up maybe once a month, twice a month to just come and hang out and yo-yo. I've got a lot of friends here and everybody kind of just hangs out and teaches each other tricks or like learns new things, just catch up with one another. It's a really great time.
I want to welcome everybody to the Holiday Bash. Thanks for coming. I think we're going to have some more people coming pretty soon. This party is only possible because of all of our sponsors. So Toys for Tots will be the first raffle, and if you donated $10, 4 yo-yos were donated to kids, so it's pretty cool. I'm going to pick the first one, Tate. Don't look. Sorry. Oh! Okay, the first winner for Toys for Tots.
Perfect time to say the name.
Yeah.
A-S-V-E-R? AJ!
Oh,
that's me! Let's go! Woo! Yeah, thank you so much! Yeah!
Daniel, can you say?
Yeah!
Okay, winners, please stick around. We want to get a picture of all the winners.
Yeah!
Last year too.
I know, you keep winning.
I want another one.
We'll go through this. Okay, so everyone has a yellow ticket, right?
Yes.
Yeah, the generous round.
No, Lance does.
Oh, he needs one. Lance, get your ticket. Come on, Lance. Yeah, is that the winning ticket?
Maybe.
I have 8 of them.
Japan legend in the building.
Wow.
Thank you,
Let's see. I told kids that you guys have 3 tries. Is that fair? Are we going? So we're gonna go easy here. We're gonna go easy. This is something I can hit. Can hit this. Pretty good repeater. Pretty good. Ooh. Okay.
Oh,
Okay. He said he had nothing.
that was fire.
Oh, my bad. Dude, what the heck?
That yo-yo's so big.
This is another good one that I made up.
Oh, sorry.
So we'll test
Okay.
So, yeah.
Yeah, that was when I had. They're all kind of like.
Yeah. There we go. Look at that. Yeah, the behind the back stuff is nice.
Yeah.
And it's like really wide too, so it catches to go like almost everything. Yes.
Would you like a goodie bag?
Yes, I would love a goodie bag, Michelle. Thank you. What's in here?
We have candy, we have a DXL pen, and then there are 3 samples of original throw string.
Oh,
I have them
lovely.
labeled for you. So
Thank you so much.
welcome.
This is Michelle. She is our fearless leader at DXL. She organizes a lot of the meetups and organizes pretty much everything for the holiday bash. So just thank you, Michelle, for all you do. The yo-yo community here loves it, loves you. Do you have any words for people that want to get into yo-yo or want to find a place to come yo-yo at?
Yeah, so we are the largest yo-yo club in the world, maybe, I've been told. We're here in Southern California near LA, but people come from all over. If you just want to hang out, meet some great people, come on down. You can follow us at DXL Crew on Instagram. and I always post the latest meetup on there. It will always be pinned in the top left-hand corner. So come join us and learn how to yo-yo because it's fun, right?
Yep.
It is so fun.
So fun. Thank you,
Join our
Michelle.
world. You're
Yeah,
welcome.
join us.
Yay!
At these yo-yo meetups, you meet all sorts of people. My buddy Spencer here, he's a realtor.
What's up, baby?
And he's got a house on the market right now. Where's it at?
1519 Lovering Avenue in Fullerton. You need that. 3 beds, 2 baths, 15-16 square feet. It's killer.
If you're in the market for a new house, forego these presents for the Christmas holidays. It's time to just get a new house.
And it has the best kitchen in the neighborhood. We got a killer pool in the backyard. Just remodeled last year. Looks super good. Thank you, AJ. Appreciate that, bro.
You never know the types of people you'll find at these meetups. It's really great.
Hello everybody, good afternoon. It's a little bit later in the day. Welcome to my office. I don't know if I've ever filmed in here yet, but today is a chill, easy little work day. I think we're combining yesterday's vlog and today because we genuinely did not do anything because we've honestly just been recovering from our race this past weekend. But we did go to the gym today, which slay because we were sore. However, we were just so excited to get back, you know? Today, we're truly just working and catching up on editing and whatnot. I worked on some content things this morning, and we just posted our HYROX vlog. So if you want to see what we did this past weekend and what HYROX typically looks like, go check out our last video. But yeah, I have on the coziest little outfit today. I literally forgot I had this jacket. It is huge on me because I wore this when I was 48 pounds heavier. But this is from Princess Polly and it is so dang warm. I love it. That's literally it. I'm about to work. I never work at my desk. I've been working in the living room lately, but I think I just need a little bit more structure today. So I'm gonna be literally working for the next couple hours. AJ's also gonna be working. I'm excited for my midday coffee, maybe a midday matcha, actually. That sounds delicious. And yeah. And just like that, it's nighttime.
So dark, so quick.
AJ hasn't talked once on this vlog. No, this is combined with yesterday's.
Is it?
Yes.
We're gonna combine it?
Yes.
Okay. Well then, hello, yesterday.
We're about to make some dinner.
I spent all day on the phone with tax people.
That sounds so
It's
fun.
very taxing on myself.
Mhm.